so desperate. The gopis are so desperate. Where is Krishna? They even start asking weeds. And then, though the arka plant is considered inferior and poisonous, the gopis are so desperate and exasperated that they ask this plant because they're so full of longing. And then the arka plant, and the gopis imagine that the poisonous arka plant is replying to them. And Jiva Goswami gets the reply, "Oh, gopis, what will you gain if we tell you where Krishna is?" And then the gopis speak to the arka plant, and they say, "You're dedicated to helping others. You have taken birth to help others. And you're living at this holy place. You're living in Vrindavan. You're on the banks of the Yamuna. So you're supposed to speak the truth, because anyone living in a holy place is supposed to be a sadhu. And sadhus are supposed to speak the truth, not jut bolo. Jut bolo means lying. So, and you're okay. You're a lowly arka plant, but there's big devotees in Vrindavan. They speak the truth, and there's little devotees in Vrindavan. They speak the truth. So you're an arka pear. You're an arka plant. So you must speak the truth and tell us. You're very merciful." And they're saying, "Don't cheat us. Tell us the truth." Then what does the arka plant say in reply? "Just go search for him yourself." That nasty arka plant. His words are as poisonous as his milky juice. Fearing this answer, the gopis speak with pain, hoping to generate compassion for their suffering state. "Oh, Arka, we have lost our consciousness. We're near death. We can't go search by ourselves."